Samsung's One UI keeps getting better with every release, and in 2026, we'll witness a surprising comeback, the return of the X.5 version. This naming format, once used to deliver major refinements between full version jumps, is being revived with One UI 8.5, a move that marks a nostalgic yet strategic shift in Samsung's software roadmap. From X.1.1 to X.5, a change in strategy. In earlier days, Samsung launched intermediate updates like One UI 1.5 and 2.5 to enhance user experience between big Android releases. But later, the company shifted focus, pushing out X.1.1 updates mainly optimized for foldables and experimental features. That trend continued until now. Skipping both 8.1 and 8.1.1 entirely, Samsung is going straight to One UI 8.5, showing a renewed interest in offering broader feature enhancements beyond foldables. One UI 8.5, based on Android 16 and launching with Galaxy S26. Set to debut with the Galaxy S26 series in early 2026, One UI 8.5 will be based on Android 16. While Samsung hasn't revealed the full feature list, it's safe to assume some Galaxy AI improvements may be part of the mix. Still, after One UI 8.0's underwhelming release, expectations are cautious. The rollout schedule may vary based on the richness of features. If there's a big infusion of AI-driven tools, expect a staggered release post, S26 launch, possibly within 2 months. Which devices will receive the One UI 8.5 update? If your device runs One UI 8.0, there's a strong chance it will also support 8.5. Samsung's mid-range and flagship models from 2022 onward are likely to make the cut. For some, this might even be the final major update. Here's a sneak peek at eligible Galaxy devices. Galaxy S series, S25 lineup, S24, S23, S22, and select FE models. Galaxy Z series, Fold and Flip models from Fold 4 to Fold 7, and Flip 4 to Flip 7. Galaxy A series, A73, A55, A54, and others down to entry-level models like A06. Galaxy Tab series, Tab S10, S9, and S8 families along with budget A series tablets. Galaxy M, F, and Xcover series, including newer models like M56, F55, Xcover 7. Final thoughts. One UI 8.5 isn't just an update, it's a revival. Whether Samsung makes this versioning scheme a standard again remains unclear, but it adds a fresh twist to the company's software evolution. Stay tuned as more features are revealed, and keep an eye out, your Galaxy device could be next in line for a smarter, sleeker upgrade.